In this video, we listed the 5 best drone for kids on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XIAOMI V30 Mini Drone. The 4DRC V30 Mini Drone by Magyar is a compact and versatile camera drone designed for aerial photography, equipped with the capability to record in stunning 8K resolution. Weighing only 160 grams and featuring a maximum takeoff weight of 1 to 2 kilograms, this drone is optimized for stability and user-friendly operation, thanks to its 5-sided obstacle avoidance system and altitude hold mode. It has a remarkable flight time of up to 58 minutes and a remote control range of approximately 10,000 meters, supported by a 1,800 mAh battery that charges via USB. The drone features Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing for real-time transmission of video and photos, and includes user-friendly functions such as headless mode, one-key return, and customizable flight paths. Its folding design makes it portable, and with a robust construction from high-strength engineering plastics, it is both lightweight and durable, making it suitable for users aged 12 and above. Number 2. Lenovo 811 Mini Drone. The Lenovo 811 Mini Drone is a compact quadcopter designed for both beginners and experienced users, featuring a stable 6-axis gyroscope and altitude hold mode for precise control during flight. Equipped with options for a 2K or 4K camera, it captures high-quality aerial footage, while its Wi-Fi FPV capability allows for real-time viewing on smartphones and tablets. Operating on a 2.4G frequency with a 4-channel control system, this drone ensures a stable and interference-free connection. It boasts a lightweight construction of ABS plastic, comes in vibrant colors, and measures 11 by 13 by 4 centimeters when unfolded. The drone offers a flight time of approximately 11 to 15 minutes, powered by a rechargeable 3.7V 650 mAh LiPo battery, with a quick charging time of 40 minutes. This versatile and portable drone is an ideal choice for creative exploration, making it suitable for ages 14 and up. Number 3. Lenovo V88 Mini Drone. The Lenovo Professional Camera Drone is a compact UAV designed for aerial photography and video recording, featuring a robust build weighing only 450 grams while supporting a maximum takeoff weight of 1 to 2 kilograms. It boasts an impressive 8K HD camera resolution, 7680 by 4320 pixels, with advanced stabilization technologies, including optical image stabilization and electronic image stabilization to ensure clear imagery during flight. The drone operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency with a control range of up to 5,000 meters and provides approximately 40 minutes of flight time thanks to its 3.7V 2,200 mAh intelligent lithium battery. Additionally, it incorporates features such as a brushless motor for enhanced performance, obstacle avoidance technology, and smart mobile app control, which allow for customizable flight paths and gesture recognition for photography. This easy-to-use drone comes equipped with an array of accessories including a remote controller, spare propellers, and USB charging cable, making it suitable for both enthusiasts and professionals seeking high-quality aerial capabilities. Number 4. Lenovo Z101 Drone. The Lenovo Z101 Mini Drone is a professional-grade UAV designed for high-quality aerial photography and videography, featuring an impressive 8K HD camera capable of capturing stunning visuals. With a maximum wind speed resistance of 30 to 46.2 km per hour and a maximum takeoff weight of 2 to 3 kilograms, this drone is equipped with advanced technologies such as 5G connectivity for seamless control and data transfer, an optical flow control system for stable flight, and an obstacle avoidance feature for enhanced safety. The foldable design ensures portability, making it ideal for travel. It offers a maximum flight time of 35 minutes and an impressive remote control range of up to 15,000 meters. Additional specifications include a 60x optical zoom, complete omnidirectional sensing system, and multiple camera stabilization methods, ensuring high-quality image capture. The drone supports various languages through its app and comes with a complete accessory package, making it a versatile tool for photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 5. E88 Pro Drone. The Drone 88 HDK3 quadcopter is a high-definition aerial photography drone designed for users aged 8 and above. With a maximum takeoff weight of 2 to 3 kilograms and a compact design measuring 17 centimeters in depth, 7.5 centimeters in width, and 8 centimeters in height, this drone is both lightweight, 320 g, and user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners and kids. It features a 4K camera capable of recording videos at a resolution of 4096 by 2160 pixels, along with an optical zoom of 50x and advanced stabilization systems for smooth footage. The drone boasts a maximum flight time of 31 minutes and a transmission range of 4 kilometers, thanks to its 3000 mAh battery. Operating on a frequency of 2.4 GHz, it includes an intuitive app controller for ease of use. Notably, the Drone 88 HDK3 is equipped with a complete omnidirectional sensing system for enhanced safety and stability during flight, making it an excellent choice for both fun and professional aerial photography.